On the second issue, the Republika Srpska, we just shouldn't have agreed to the name, and I regret having put so much pressure on the Bosnian government to accept that name. But in the end, I don't think it makes that much difference because Mrs. Plavšić and Dodik are trying to fulfill Dayton. So I don't think it's all that critical, but I wish we hadn't pushed President Izetbegović so hard on that. President Izetbegović deserves great credit for having taken the steps that brought peace to his country. Because I should make clear that I have the greatest respect for President Izetbegović. I wrote in the book repeatedly that if it were not for Alija Izetbegović, Bosnia would not exist today. It was his single-handed tenacity, his courage in staying in Sarajevo when it was under attack, in staying in the presidency building when it was taking direct hits, that saved Bosnia. If he had moved to Tuzla, it would have been all over. Sarajevo would have fallen. And Milosevic himself said this, and I have stated in the book that it was his determination, even to the root point of ruthlessness at times, that created his country today. And my respect for him and his courage is unbounded.
Ono što zovemo srećom, ponekad je saglasnost naših života i zatečenih okolnosti, naše biografije i historije, naših ličnih težnji i historijskih tokova. Ako tako posmatram stvari, mogao bih reći, prerano sam se rodio da bih bio sretan. Ali rođenje je jedna od mnogih stvari koje ne biramo. Ono je dio naše sudbine. Kad bi mi bilo ponuđeno da još jednom živim, odbio bih. Ali ako bih se morao ponovo roditi, izabrao bih svoj život.